Stars who are still promoting Chinese products for money. Salman Khan. The Bhaijan of Bollywood, Salman Khan, is the brand ambassador of Chinese brand Realme's smartphones. Salman Khan has endorsed Realme 6 and Realme 6 Pro smartphones, which got huge sale in India. Deepika Padukone. Deepika Padukone is the brand ambassador of Chinese smartphone brand Oppo since the year 2017. This leading lady of Bollywood has been featured in several commercials for this smartphone brand. Ranbir Kapoor. The Chinese mobile phone brand Oppo has selected this Bollywood heartthrob as their brand ambassador for the Oppo Reno series. Ranbir Kapoor has been also endorsing the Chinese technology brand Lenovo. He is the Indian brand ambassador of Lenovo since 2012. Shraddha Kapoor. This gorgeous Bollywood actress is the brand ambassador of all the smart products including wearables of the Chinese brand Realme. Ranveer Singh. Ranveer Singh is now the Indian brand ambassador of the Chinese smartphone brand Xiaomi, and he has featured in many commercials for the brand. This leading actor of Bollywood has also endorsed another Chinese smartphone brand as he was the brand ambassador. Sara Ali Khan. This young star kid of Bollywood is the new face of the Chinese smartphone brand Vivo. She has endorsed Vivo's S1 model. Siddharth Malhotra. Along with Deepika Padukone, Siddharth Malhotra has endorsed multiple smartphones of the Chinese brand Oppo. Alia Bhatt. This Bollywood star kid also endorsed a Chinese smartphone brand Xiaomi. She did commercials for the brand. Vicky Kaushal. Bollywood's heartthrob Vicky Kaushal has recently endorsed Chinese smartphone brand Oppo's F11 Pro. Oppo had also launched a campaign named Be Brilliant partnering with Vicky Kaushal. Varun Dhawan. Another Bollywood star kid, Varun Dhawan has endorsed a Chinese social networking app in India named WeChat. Kriti Kharbanda. This beautiful actress got featured in a 13-minute long commercial of Oppo where she endorsed Oppo's F5 phone. This short feature film ad was the promotion of Oppo's F5 Siddharth Limited Edition, which was a special Valentine's edition. Aamir Khan. Mr. Perfectionist of Bollywood, Aamir Khan is the present brand ambassador of Chinese smartphone brand Vivo. Aamir Khan has been featured in multiple commercials of Vivo. Katrina Kaif. This stunning actress is one of the faces of Oppo's Reno series commercial. She featured in the ads with Ranbir Kapoor and Badshah. Parineeti Chopra. Bubbly Bollywood actress Parineeti Chopra endorsed Chinese social networking app WeChat along with Varun Dhawan. Hrithik Roshan. The Greek god of Bollywood had endorsed Chinese smartphone brand Oppo back when it was new in Indian market. Badshah. Singer and rapper Badshah has also endorsed the Chinese brand Oppo's smartphone Reno along with Ranbir Kapoor and Katrina Kaif. Sonam Kapoor. This Bollywood star kid had endorsed the Oppo smartphones and got featured in few ads. Amy Jackson. This actress has endorsed the smartphones of the Chinese brand Oppo. Tamanna Bhatia. Stunning Bollywood actress Tamanna Bhatia endorsed smartphones of Oppo when it was new in India. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.